Hello and welcome to my channel, Exceptional Minds TV.
Participation, Consent, and Dispute Resolution. Special Education. A Parent's Guide to Understanding Rights and Responsibilities. Part 2. Presentation Outline. Parent Participation. Meeting Requirements. Consent Requirements. Mediation and Complaints. Due Process Hearings. Filing Complaints. References. Parent Participation and Meeting Requirements. You must be notified of your parental rights. You must be invited to attend meetings about your child such as eligibility, reevaluation, or IEP team meetings. You are to receive copies of all documents about your child's education program and can have them explained to you. Parent Participation and Meeting Requirements. Copies can be in your native language, Braille, or explained in sign language. If needed, the school district will provide a translator or interpreter. You must be given opportunities to participate in any decision-making meeting regarding your child's special education. Educational records. You are allowed to access and review your child's school records. You can ask for help in understanding the contents of your child's records. If you believe certain information is incorrect or inappropriate, you can request that it be changed or taken out. Educational records. You can include your own notes, documents, or other relevant details in your child's file. You can request copies of your child's IEP or records. Schools may charge for the copies, but not for locating them. Someone you authorize in writing can access and review your child's records for you. Evaluation procedures. Your child is entitled to a thorough evaluation to see if they qualify for special education and related services due to a disability. You can request that your child be tested in every area where a disability is suspected. The school must follow IDEA and Georgia guidelines when evaluating your child. Evaluation procedures. Your child must be given multiple tests, in their primary language, unless you and the school decide otherwise, and re-evaluated at least every 3 years. You will take part in deciding whether your child is eligible and what support or services they should receive during re-evaluations. Confidentiality of information. Your child's school records are confidential. You have the right to request copies of just your own child's educational records. School staff who work with your child can access their records without needing your approval. Other individuals cannot view your child's records unless you give written consent. Least restrictive environment. Your child has the right to learn and take part in school activities alongside peers without disabilities, as much as is suitable for their needs. The school must provide necessary changes or supports to help your child join in school programs and events as fully as possible. Independent evaluation. You are allowed to access and review your child's school records. You can ask for help in understanding the contents of your child's records. If you believe certain information is incorrect or inappropriate, you can request that it be changed or taken out. Independent evaluation. The school must take into account the findings from an independent evaluation when reviewing your child's needs. The IEP team will review the evaluation results to help decide if your child qualifies for special education services. Surrogate parents. Suppose the child's parents are unavailable or the child is in state custody. In that case, the school district will appoint a surrogate parent to speak and make decisions on the child's behalf for evaluations, meetings, and special education matters. Surrogate parents. These surrogate parents are specially trained and will perform parental duties such as giving permission and attending IEP or related meetings. A surrogate parent holds the same legal rights and duties as a biological parent when it comes to the child's special education needs. Reference and resources. If you're worried about your child's education, make sure to share your concerns with the school principal or the special education coordinator. For additional support, you can reach out to parent advocacy organizations. The school can provide contact details, or you can get in touch with Parent to Parent of Georgia at 1-800-229-2038 or visit www.p2pgi.org for assistance. Reference and resources. You can also get help by calling Georgia's Division for Special Education Services and Supports at 404-657-9968, emailing spedhelpdesk@do.k12.ga.us, or visiting www.gato.org for more resources. Always remember to check with your local Department of Education for the most accurate and up-to-date information. The information provided is relevant to my local DOE regulations. Thank you for joining on today's episode. Tune in next time for more tips and information.